Bill Goudy checking in. On the menu for today, got those at the farmer's market. Brussels sprouts steamed with Debbie Holland steamer. A while back I went to Iowa City and I went to Trader Joe's and I saw this Carolina Gold BBQ sauce. Yeah, I'm going to give it a try. Do some chicken wings today and some stuffed peppers right out of the garden. Yeah, that's a habanero right there. Yeah, I'm going to try a stuffed habanero pepper as well as a jalapeno and my reds, and I had an orange. Not quite all the way ripe yet, but ripe enough for me. I don't want to wait any longer. Come along, check it out. So much for filming outside. They said we were going to get 34-mile-an-hour gusts. It's coming right up out of the south too. Plenty warm. Looks like I'll be eating inside just to show you guys. I know this camera's not going to work very good in the wind. For your benefit. Boy, I wish you could smell that. You could smell the mustard in that. Oh, that smells so good. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. You're going to hear me say it. Look at the goodness. Let's give that a try, shall we? Oh. Wow. There is a sweetness and a mustard flavor and smoky flavor, campfire flavor. Oh. That is so good. I'd recommend that. It's not low carb. It's got 14 grams. You probably can't see that. It's got 14 grams of carbs per 2 tablespoons. But I'm not going to eat that much or that often. So, boy, that's good though. Look at this. This is my cherry bomb pepper. That's what I call a cherry bomb pepper. I don't know what they're really called. They're good. Wow. Where's the other half? Man, I'd highly recommend that. Alright, that's my habanero. Let's see how that is. Wow. That is good. Oh, it's hot too. Ooh-wee. It's got a good kick. Thanks for watching. Bill Goudy out.